Hi everyone, let's do this question and I read the question first. Given equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, prove that c, open the bracket, a minus b, close the bracket, cubed is equals to a, open the bracket, c minus b, close the bracket, cubed, if one root of the equation is the square of the other. And so guys, we are told we have this equation. Maybe I can write it right here. That's the equation. And the roots we are told, one of them, let's say it's alpha. Guys, the other root is going to be alpha squared. And with that, we can form an equation involving these two roots. And that equation can be written as x squared plus, that is minus x alpha plus alpha squared plus alpha squared. This is equals to 0. And so guys, this is the equation we form with these two roots. And therefore, this we can make them equivalent to this by now dividing this equation by a. When we do that, we have x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals to 0. And so therefore, guys, our equation then we can equate b over a with minus. Because of this minus, we say minus alpha plus alpha squared. And we can equate c over a with alpha cubed. And so therefore, guys, we can say minus b all over a is equals to alpha plus alpha squared. We can also say alpha cubed is equals to c all over a. Guys, this is the equation we want to prove. But before we go to that, guys, we can write this equation in terms of b, whereby this is now going to be b will be equal to, we can bring a this side so that we have a, and then we have alpha plus alpha squared. Next, we can put this negative, instead of putting it here, I can put it right there. So we have b equals to negative a multiplied by alpha plus alpha squared. And now guys, I come now to the equation. I say, let's say a minus b. A minus b can be given by a now minus, we can now write this equation. That is, I can write b is negative a. Again, I can write this other bracket, alpha plus alpha squared. I put that bracket. And of course, because of this, I can also put another bracket right there. We continue, guys. So, guys, for a minus b, we shall have that. And then we can have a plus, because of minus, this becomes plus a alpha plus a alpha squared. Factoring out now a, we are left with 1 plus alpha squared. That is equals to a minus b. Guys, now we come to a, that is c minus b. For c minus b, we can use this equation right here. And therefore, we have c equals to a alpha cubed. And therefore, c is equals to a alpha cubed, now minus b. And this one, we do it just as we have done right here. So this comes to negative a bracket alpha plus alpha squared. We put a bracket here and there. And so therefore, guys, this is what we have. And so guys, for C minus B, we have that, and then we can now come and evaluate that. That is A alpha cubed plus A alpha squared. Guys, we can come and take out the value, that is A. We factor out A, and then we shall be left with that. We can rearrange that to read 1 plus alpha squared. And here we have A alpha. Guys, if we compare this equation here, which is of A minus B and C minus B, you can see there is some similarity. And the similarity is that this value is within this value. As you can see, we have A and we have that value which are similar. And so therefore, guys, if I could write this, I come and write here C minus B. This is now equal to, for the value of A minus B, we have A and we have this other value. So we shall have alpha, and then A, and this value is the same as A minus B, like that. And so, guys, we have that. And so, therefore, I come now and cube this side and cube this side. This comes to C minus B cubed is equals to alpha cubed. And of course, I shall also cube this cubed. And now, guys, as you can see, we have this equation right here. C equals to A alpha cubed. And so, therefore, alpha cubed will be equal to, that is C over A. Here we shall have C all over A. According to this, or according to this other equation right here. And so, therefore, when I replace for that, alpha cubed is the same as C over A. And here we have A minus B cubed, and on this other side we have C minus B cubed. And so therefore, guys, we shall have, finally, can bring this A on this side. We have A C minus B cubed. This is now equals to C, open the bracket, A minus B cubed. And so, guys, now we are able to prove that. And thank you guys for listening to me. Bye bye.